Leia, it's great to see you again. We met at Spectre down in Mexico City.
Nice to see you. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. And, that was my first in-person Bond experience. So, like, looking at the plaza where you all filmed Spectre, I was like, wow, this is cool. This is cool. But you're actually in the movies. I want to know what makes No Time to Die different for you than Spectre.
It's very, very different. It felt really like two different experiences. In Inspector, first the director was Sam Mendes, who's different, obviously from Cary Fukunaga, and they have a different style. So it really felt like it felt very different, and I loved the two experiences. But I was very happy this time to come back with Madeleine, and that they've decided to make a more like a complex character. Cary Fukunaga really wanted to explore the character, give her more depth, and also Madeleine, who's this time more relatable.
How would you describe the relationship between Madeline and Bond? Again, no spoilers, but where it's at right now.
So in No Time to Die, we get to understand Madeleine a bit more because we see there is a scene where we see her as a child with her mother and see what she has been through. So we understand that she's damaged and that she's also an orphan, like James Bond. And I think that was necessary in the sense that we understand maybe a bit more their relationship. So this time, in No Time to Die, the relationship is much more intense and emotional and, more real in a way.